Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tarot 777 by Neha M. So आज हम एक soulmate and twin flame reading करने जा रहे हैं. Now it's basically a reading about someone special in your life, जिनके साथ आप बहुत ही deep level पे connect करते हैं and you have lots and lots of love for them, right? आप लोगों को लगता है कि आप लोगों का relation जो है वो soul level पे है. So it's about them, right? So let's start the reading and let's see कि आप लोगों के लिए क्या है, right? So it's all about love, connections, emotions, right? Now sometimes you have someone special in your life जिनके साथ आप बहुत डीप लेवल पे कनेक्ट करते हैं, राइट? और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप लोगों का जन्मों जन्मों का रिश्ता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दैट, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड सी. ओके, नाउ द फर्स्ट कार्ड, it's you in the situation. Now it's like 10 of swords. Now you were thinking that you were backstabbed, right? In the past you think that somebody backstabbed you and आपको किसी ने धोखा दिया, किसी ने आपको छोड़ दिया, या किसी ने आपको लाइक बेसिकली यू आर इन पेन, राइट? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपके जो पार्टनर है उन्होंने आपको धोखा दिया है, दे चीटेड विद यू, दे लाइड टू यू अबाउट समथिंग, राइट? सो इट्स अबाउट दैट. नाउ देन four of cups. Now four of cups is like you offered to them, you offered something to them and they refused, right? They refused to take your offer, right? You like basically आपने उनको किसी चीज़ के लिए अप्रोच किया and like they refused, right? Now you wanted clarity in the situation, you wanted clear communication, you wanted to talk things, make things clear, like basically you wanted to clear and sort things out with them. You wanted them to uh, clearly communicate with you and come forward, right? But they left, right? So they left the situation. Eight of Cups. Now they left the situation. They don't know what to do about the situation. They were confused. उनको समझ नहीं आ रही थी कि वो क्या करे सिचुएशन में. So they left, right? Now Knight of Pentacles. So it's about like you wanted to take things further. Like आप चीज़ों को आगे बढ़ाना चाहते थे. यू वांटेड टू पुट एफर्ट इन दैट सिचुएशन. आप चीज़ों को सही डायरेक्शन में लेना चाहते थे. आप चीज़ों को आगे बढ़ाना चाहते थे इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, राइट? बट दे वर क्लोज्ड ऑफ. They were thinking all about their money and finance and job and whatever they were doing, and they were like closed off at that time. Now they were not ready to give in the situation, right? Now you wanted a family with them. You wanted to build a home with them, have kids, have a beautiful family, complete family with them, right? uh, Now they think that there is some little hope. They think maybe आप दोनों को का कोई फ्यूचर हो, या आप लोग का कोई लाइक कोई आगे कुछ maybe you can get together and लाइक आप फ्यूचर में आगे मिल के चल सकते हैं यू, या लाइक वॉट एवर, लाइक आप लाइक स्लाइटली लाइक दे आर होपफुल, they think like that. Now in the future we have like four of swords. So you are dealing with your pain, you are coming out of that pain, you are like rising yourself up in the situation. You are like basically dealing with your pain and making yourself come out from that situation. Now them Seven of Pentacles. Now they are not happy in this situation, although they are doing good, maybe in career wise or whatever, right? But somebody is not feeling happy, they are sad, they think about you, they feel about you, uh, they feel that they did wrong to you or whatever, they think about you, right? Now you are Queen of Cups. Now you are like, you are holding your cup of love, you are a beautiful, loving, caring person, and who is holding their cup of love, right? You still have emotions for them, you still feel for them, but on बट आप अपने आप को पेन से निकाल रहे हैं, यू आर taking yourself out from the situation, right? Five of Cups. Now this is your person. Now they have lost all the hope, they are thinking that everything is ended between both of you, but they can't see that they still have hope in the situation. They have two cups standing behind them, but they can't see it because their back is turned, right? So your person is thinking that everything, like they have lost all the hope, और वो सोच रहे हैं कि सब कुछ आप लोगों के बीच में ख़त्म हो चुका है, बट टू ऑफ कप्स अभी भी उनके पीछे है, राइट? सो लेट्स टेक सम गाइडेंस from the universe and see what universe have for us, right? Okay, so we have the first card here is friendliness. Now friendliness का मतलब है now universe आपको गाइड कर रही है to be friendly in the situation. Forget about the past. Now like stop complaining, stop like holding the other person responsible for everything in the situation, right? तूने ऐसा किया, तूने वैसा किया. Be friendly with yourself, right? Like be balanced, right? In the situation, be hopeful in the situation, right? Like आप सामने वाले को आप you can send good vibes to them, right? Now आप अगर आप किसी को बैड फीलिंग्स या लाइक रिस्पॉन्सिबल ठहरा रहे हैं हर चीज़ के लिए, बेसिकली आप उनको बैड फीलिंग्स ही आप उनको भेज रहे हैं. लाइक जो एनर्जी आप उनको सेंड करेंगे वही दे विल रिसीव एंड वही दे विल रिफ्लेक्ट. सो इट्स बेटर टू बी फ्रेंडली in the situation, right? And accept that and stop holding someone responsible for all the situation. Just like अपने better times को याद कीजिए, जो भी आप लोगों ने आपस में निकाला, right? Now the next card we have here is success, right? Okay, 6 is a number of success, right? So see आपकी सिचुएशंस जो भी रही, हर सिचुएशन में अप्स भी होते हैं, डाउन्स भी होते हैं, राइट। कभी सिचुएशन बुरी होती हैं, कभी अच्छी होती हैं। सो यू शुड नो हाउ टू डील विद बोथ द थिंग्स, राइट। आपको सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए एवरी मोमेंट इन लाइफ, राइट। आज अप है तो कल डाउन है, आज डाउन है तो कल अप है, राइट। सो बी बैलेंस्ड, राइट, एंड सक्सेस विल बी ऑल योर्स, राइट। बिलीव इन दैट यूनिवर्स, राइट। स्प्रेड लव, spread beautiful energy, right? And yeah, basically it's all about love, right? So send good vibes and believe in love and believe in the power of love, right? So okay, now all इसमें हमारे पास कौन से साइंस हैं? बेसिकली वाटर साइंस, कैंसर, स्कॉर्पियो एंड पाइसेस, and air signs like maybe Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, right? So yeah, so this is about the love, right? So अगर आपके साथ ये रीडिंग रेजोनेट करती है तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक कीजिए एंड मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्लीज़ डू कमेंट, राइट। थैंक यू सो मच एंड हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे। टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय।